Welcome guys, I'm 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗟𝗢𝗪. I am in Nicaragua, San Juan del Sur. We are going to visit a new listing that's gonna be very soon in all the social media. This is a beautiful ocean view, 3 bedrooms, swimming pool, parking space, 3 bathrooms, air conditioning, ready to go, fully furnished here in Malibu. Number 7 actually is gonna be in the market right now, and I want you to come with me and enjoy this tour, because if you're looking specifically for an ocean view business opportunity to rent it, to live with it, or just to visit Nicaragua once in a while and have a beautiful spot like this one, this is your video. I feel so comfortable walking through here, especially with the high ceiling and catching all the breeze from the ocean. That is part of the experience you're gonna have in these houses. Well guys, how many bedrooms do we have and bathrooms? This unit comes with 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Right here, we have the first bedrooms. It's shared these bathrooms with your guests. Every door is a solid wood, which that also brings value to the property. All is solid concrete. Right here we have like a storage where you put all your stuff away. Doors, pretty heavy by the way. This first bedroom here is a double bed with air conditioning. And this concept, as now is open in between the dining, living, and the kitchen area, is one of the biggest trends at the markets today in real estate. And when you are thinking about to invest in an oceanfront property or ocean view property, you're also thinking about how comfortable it is, what about the layout, but definitely I want to see if that view gonna brings to me clients, especially if you're thinking to invest in a property for future passive incomes. As you can see in Malibu, in this specific house, number 7 by the way, it has everything that you are looking for on a passive income rental unit. Definitely one of these units has been very popular because the market, local clients, and international customers love to look and search that location to have a pleasant time with the family. You can see how they created something very easy to walk through, friendly, and in every section of the house you can sit, relax, and enjoy the time. Now, and everything is modern and contemporary in some pieces, but definitely the whole layout of this environment, or at least in this part of the house, is definitely very comfortable and it's telling you, come and have a great time. The kitchen itself, it has a perfect size. I love it the way they set up everything, all the doors and furniture. It allows you to really enjoy the time, have a great dinner, have a great breakfast, and relax in the morning. Again, the house, it needs to bring to you and provide those elements that's gonna definitely guarantee that your investment is gonna be secure. For example, look at this size. When you open the door, a beautiful design by the way, in between glass and wood, and the table also comes with this rustic design with a nice glass on top and 6 chairs. Again, we have another furniture following the same modern concept. Another extra chair here if you want just to relax, and if you have your kids or your family, you want to play games, there you go, a TV with a stereo. Doors connecting to you in between living area and the outside terrace where you can enjoy nice slide doors. They're gonna make the transition between you and the living, the kitchen, dining area to the outdoor terrace where you have a fun swimming pool. This is gonna be where you're gonna spend most of the time to have a great moment and enjoy the weekends and your vacations. A round table, 2 chairs, barbecue, more chairs where you can enjoy and relax, catching that beautiful view, and another extra section where you can also have a party. And look at that swimming pool, just perfect located with that infinity view. Definitely guys, local and international visitors gonna really have a great time and enjoy the privacy with their own family and friends. got the 2 more bedrooms at the 2nd floor. Actually, one more thing I forgot to tell you. We have 3 levels. Yes, in the 3rd top, you have an open concept. Yes, so you can go upstairs too and do some parties, and be careful. Anyhow, guys, this one of the 3 bedrooms right here. Definitely full size, beautiful bathrooms, air conditioning, and glasses, windows. Here, you're gonna see these doors that are gonna cover an extra space for your, pillows and towels, whatever you brings. Your section for your laundry, where we have how you call it, this one. Please send me on the video and the comments how you call this in English. We call it the tower with a dryer and a washer. And then if we continue walking through, then I'm gonna meet the main suite that also has a closet. I mean, you can tell it's the main bedrooms with the view and your own balcony, chairs, where you can have a great moment. Beautiful, actually. I like the sense of these rooms, feel roomy, big space. I think this is a king size mattress. And right here, we have the bathrooms with a bathtub. Actually, guys, pretty big and beautiful colors and design, double sink, huge mirror, more windows, a glass in between you and the head shower. And of course, you have everything toilet. So this pretty roomy. I love the color palette they selected in this one, white and wood, and brown and white color. The tiles also keep the same soft color. I like it because as soon as you walk in a house on the ocean, the first things you are looking for is to have peace and relaxation. Thank you guys for following us. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you Betty and Mauricio. They are behind the camera today at Malibu here in San Juan del Sur, Nicaragua. This is a beautiful 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom swimming pool and ocean view unit. So don't forget, we're gonna have this property very soon in all the social media, everywhere. You can follow us on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and I'm gonna be very happy to provide to you the best information, how you can buy and purchase and invest in this ocean view property. Here you are, my telephone number and my email, where you can contact me and say, Carlos, give me more information. And don't forget to subscribe so we can bring to you more and more beautiful properties like this one. So I wanna see you in the next adventure.